fanatics, crazy Russian dead here, and lately I have been talking on serious subjects like World War II and like history of the Soviet Union and whatnot. So why don't we do something dumb today, okay? Why don't we look at the kinds of sneezes that people produce? You know, sneeze, apchi in Russian, apchu in English, yes. What kind of sneezes are we as human beings? So the first kind of a sneezer is a very, very quiet kind of a sneezer, okay? I mean, they usually go like this. That's it. Internal implosion. Okay, these are normally like members of the intelligentsia because they probably think that any kind of a bodily noise or a sound or I don't know, presumably bodily fluid movements, but we won't be moving any fluids today. These are shameful. So they usually try to be extra quiet. In fact, you cannot hear them at all. Basically, they inhale and then it becomes quiet. Let's call them like a sneezicus quietus. The second kind is the people who sneeze slightly less quietly, but they do it multiple times in a row, kind of like cats. Okay, I have an aunt, however I say, tетя, you know, my mother's sister, okay, and this is how she sneezes. I'm not joking. She's like, she's like a high-end Canon camera on the sports setting, like. Are you with me? You know what I'm talking about? Canon camera, you press the button, yes. So the next kind of sneezer is sort of a normal kind of a sneezer, like a sneezius normalicus, the person who is not bothered by his sneeze or her sneeze, and they simply sneeze, okay? Basically, when time comes to sneeze, they sneeze, no problem. It's kind of like, okay, or maybe you're supposed to do it into your elbow. This is what I learned in America. It's like, okay, no problem. Okay, sneeze comes out, you feel better, you move on with your life. Okay, so sneezius normalicus. Then there is the person who takes their sneezing very, very seriously. Okay, like for them it's the whole ordeal. Okay, like usually they feel the sneeze coming on, they feel like some kind of a itching or something in their like nasal cavities. Okay, and then start preparing. It's like okay, and then they're very frustrated when the sneeze doesn't come. Okay, it's like no. They're very interesting kind of a sneezer because they don't actually sneeze. And then the last category is sort of the thermonuclear option. Okay, these are people who cannot control themselves even if they wanted to, and when they sneeze, people can hear them sneeze like 5 zip codes away. They cannot stop themselves, unfortunately, for themselves or those people like family members who surround them. And then they act like they have a mild concussion, okay, like stuff comes out, their head is shaking. A couple of minutes they can like regain normal non-sneezing consciousness and they can almost like continue with the conversation. And here is a challenge, like why don't you comment below what kind of a sneezer are you, or maybe people in your family, and if I forgot some options for sneezing also please comment. Thank you very much for watching. As always, Gesundheit, stay healthy, do not sneeze too much, and good night.